We begin this evening with reactions to a viral video showing a rat in a Kentucky Fried Chicken restaurant. The rat was captured moving on top of a menu board in a St. Andrew KFC outlet. But as you'll hear in this report, the company's management insists the incident is isolated and unfortunate.
A rat skillfully navigating its way on top of the menu board at an outlet of a popular fast food restaurant KFC. Watch what happens. It's not quite clear where the rat landed, but the video has been making the rounds on social media with commentary and memes. Jamaicans have also been reacting.
You see which part the rat run over, which part must serve the chicken, and she get the broom and slap which part the rat drop. No matter what you do, you can't really stop rat from running around place of food there. So long as food there at the place, rat are going to do it. You understand? But the thing is this, I'm feeling more careful and try to monitor the thing as best as possible to keep out the rat still.
I was petrified, first of all, and it's clear that the staff too needs to be educated on food safety.
You need to do something about that, man, because if the rat in the place, big Christmas, New Year's coming up now, rat run up and down in the place, that don't look good. That don't look good at all, man. Yeah. KFC, oh man, $1 million company, that $1 billion company, that don't look good at all, man. They need to do something about that. We not go back to KFC go buy nothing for Sega, you know. If they don't fix that, we have to lock it down for even 1 day or 2 days and make sure so them pesticide out that and clean up that.
A little rat running up and down in a KFC. I don't see nothing wrong with that. Once a food, you know what I mean? You go find little rat, little roach, little this, little that. But you know, but them say what you know say. No leap.
Now in a statement, Restaurants of Jamaica, which operates KFC, described the incident as highly unusual, unfortunate and isolated. Teams have inspected and sanitized the restaurant. The entry point for the rat has also been identified. Restaurants of Jamaica adds that independent third parties will also inspect the KFC location, as the company prides itself in ensuring all food safety standards are met. The statement adds that the rat incident is not an indicator of the usual high standards and procedures held throughout the group. In the meantime, the operators of KFC franchise in Jamaica are moving to take disciplinary action against an employee who reportedly perpetrated an act of homophobia against a customer. The customer posted a photo on social media of a homophobic slur used to describe him on the monitor on which customers' orders are displayed. The incident reportedly took place last night at a KFC outlet in St. Andrew. In a statement posted on Twitter this afternoon, Restaurants of Jamaica said it was aware of the incident and described the employee's behavior as unacceptable. Restaurants of Jamaica says the action of the employee is completely against company values and policy. The franchise holder says it will not allow discrimination based on factors such as race, color, religion, or sexual orientation in its activities or operations. It has assured that disciplinary procedures will be expedited in the matter.